What's up guys, Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. And if this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and enable notifications by clicking the bell so you'll be notified next time I drop a video. These are the OVC noise cancelling headphones. These are in-ear noise cancelling headphones featuring dual driver and extra bass. It's actually called Bass Enhanced. These are the H15s. You can find them on Amazon, and I'll leave a link below if you want to check them out. And those are affiliate links. They do help out the channel, so if you do want to use those links, I'd greatly appreciate it. So now that we're done with that, guys, we're going to do a quick unboxing of this. It's nothing really crazy. 60 hours working time with the whatever battery it has, and a low pressure effect. And it's going to have a little module that you can turn noise canceling on and off. So the reason that these are a dual driver headphone is one of the drivers is going to play the audio and the other one is going to play a soft noise to cancel the ambient noise in the background. So if you're in a loud area such as the train, bus, or commuting somewhere, you might want to have some noise canceling headphones. So I thought that these would be cool to check out for you guys. So what I'm going to do is just show you what comes inside the box. I'm going to test them out and I'm going to let you guys know what I think. So we're going to get right into the unboxing in one sec. I just wanted to let you know that OVC did send these headphones out for me to test, and by no means does that mean it's going to affect my review. I'm still going to give you my general thoughts of what these look like, and then I'm going to tell you what they sound like. And you can always rely that I'm going to give you my honest opinion, and that's what PizzlesTechTime is all about. We're here in front of the OVC noise cancelling headphones. So there's some plastic on the outside of them. So let's open it up. It's on there pretty tight, and oh wow, they give you a nice carrying case. Pretty cool. Okay. So inside the box, we've got some instructions. Happy, not happy. Okay, this is like a customer service card. And then we've got some instructions, which you should read through if you would like to be informed on the product. Now we've got this nice little carrying case. Let's unzip them. Okay. Inside, we've got an extra set of gel caps for the ear. Very nice, they give you an extra set of gel caps. We've got the extra headphone adapter right here. And it's got two 3.5mm plugs. And then on the other side, it's just got a way that you can plug that in. Also, it comes with the charging cable. I like to test the quality and see what they're going to look like, so let's do that. Pretty normal quality USB right here. I think it looks pretty good. Just your average USB cable. Okay. And now we've got the headphones themselves. Come in this nice carrying case. Very nice. This part will plug into your device. And this is how you turn this on. And it's actually a rechargeable battery. Okay. That's pretty cool. I thought you would have to add your own batteries. I'm getting some black stuff on my fingers as I'm opening this thing, but okay, so you can actually get rid of that, but that's just weird. Okay. Nice that they give you extra ear caps. And the cable here looks really nice and braided. It looks pretty high quality. These are the headphones themselves, and we've got a little tag on it right there. We'll just take that off. So these are not Bluetooth headphones, but to power them on, you might just hit this button. There's only one button. So 1, 2, 3. It's on. 1, 2, 3. It's off. We've got a clip right here. And we've also got a volume adjuster, a play button, and we've got the extra bass mode on or off. So that's pretty cool. They allow you to do that. And then there's a little black thing here that'll slide up to give you more slack with the headphones. This particular part of the headphones is very thin. The cable does look like it's going to be secure. It looks like it's strong enough. So this part of the headphones is pretty light. Doesn't really weigh anything at all, and this will plug into your phone or wherever you want to play the music. And I'm going to test these out right now. So let's test these out and see what they sound like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Galaxy S9. Now my Galaxy S9 still has a headphone jack. Thanks Samsung for not taking that away. And I'm going to plug this here in, and I'm going to test it. I got my music apps right here, so we are going to open up some Apple Music. Okay, this works to adjust the audio. Let it fly. So yeah, I can't hear myself right now, so. Alright, now I'm gonna turn up the bass. Let's see if I can hear myself now. Yeah, so yeah, I can hear myself now, and then when I turn this on, let's see, I can... Okay. Now I can still hear myself now. Now I'm trying to... Okay. So these headphones are working. Every time you press this when it's connected, it'll turn the feature on and off. And when I do turn it on, it is a little harder to hear myself, even with nothing playing. So when I turn it off, I can actually hear myself. So that's really cool. These things are actually working. I'm going to give them a full charge, and we're going to test it out and see how long the battery life lasts. So I've been using these OVC headphones for about a week now, and I was trying to kill the battery. I can't. I've been using them for like 3-4 days straight over the week, and these things won't die. So for the price, I think it's a pretty good deal. These headphones, they don't actually get as loud as I would like. I like over-the-ear headphones, and I like when you can stick them inside your ear really tight, and just the loudness will block out other sounds. But this having 2 drivers and it playing that little sound, it does do a great job of blocking out loud sounds. For instance, when I'm driving inside my box truck that I work in every day, the blocking out of the sound is pretty amazing. Now, I do think if it was tighter in your ear, or if you had, say, over-the-ear noise-canceling headphones, sure, those might work a little better. But this definitely cuts out some of those noises, ambient noises especially, but for the loud noise as the truck makes, it cuts out most of it, but it does not cut out all. And you're really going to cut the noise out when you're using these, so if you have them in your ear just to block out the noise, you kind of need to have some audio playing alongside that for them to work appropriately. But I think this is a pretty good buy for under $50. If you compare it to Bose headphones, they're $300 for the noise canceling ones, and for the wired ones, they're under $200. So I think these are a pretty good deal, guys, and I'm excited that I got a chance to take a look at them. So if these were Bluetooth and they were under $50, it would be completely a steal. And they do block out some of those annoying noises like babies crying, engines running, people talking, and I think they do a pretty good job for the price. As for sound quality, like I said, guys, the sound is very clear. The bass boost works pretty well. The one con that I have is that they don't get as loud as I would like. Now, I want these things blaring in my ear, so keep that in mind. They're plenty loud. I would just like them to be a little bit louder. Now, that might depend on the device that you have plugged into it, so maybe your device will sound plenty loud for you, and it does sound loud enough for me, but I would just like to see a little bit louder, maybe a little bit bigger of a driver. And that's pretty much all bad I've got to say about this. The wire's braided, it works very well. It works as described, so you're going to cancel out some of that ambient noise, and it has pretty good sound quality. So for the price, I think you can't say no, but as I said, I would like to see these come in Bluetooth for under $50. That would be an amazing deal. So thanks for watching, guys. Remember, you can follow me on social media at PizzlesTechTime, and I'll be making tech videos weekly, so you want to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.